Imagine gliding over turquoise waters, the sea breeze energizing your senses, and the sun guiding your path, all aboard a vessel designed for both stability and comfort. This is the unique charm of sailing a catamaran, a choice that increasingly attracts health enthusiasts and travelers who seek balance, space, and an active connection with nature. Whether you dream of sailing for leisure, fitness, or personal growth, understanding what a catamaran offers can help you make informed and confident decisions. A catamaran is a multi-hulled watercraft featuring two parallel hulls of equal size. Unlike traditional monohull sailboats, the catamaran's twin-hull design provides remarkable stability, minimizing the side-to-side rocking that often leads to seasickness. This stability makes catamarans an appealing choice for those who value smooth sailing, especially health-conscious travelers looking to enjoy the journey without the physical strain that can accompany rough waters. Catamarans come in a variety of sizes and configurations, ranging from small recreational vessels to luxurious multi-deck yachts. They can be powered by sails, engines, or both, offering flexibility for different sailing preferences. The spacious deck areas, wide cabins, and open living spaces provide an ideal environment for activities such as yoga, stretching, and mindful relaxation, all while surrounded by breathtaking seascapes. One of the key advantages of catamarans is their shallow draft, which allows them to access secluded beaches and shallow bays that are off-limits to deeper-hulled boats. This feature makes catamarans perfect for island hopping, snorkeling adventures, and eco-conscious exploration in pristine marine environments. For those seeking active, health-centered travel, these unique access points create memorable opportunities to connect with nature and enjoy outdoor fitness experiences. Safety is another crucial benefit. The catamaran's dual-hull structure not only enhances balance but also provides redundancy. Even if one hull is compromised, the vessel maintains its buoyancy. This design element contributes to the catamaran's reputation as a reliable and secure option for both new and experienced sailors. However, sailing a catamaran does require awareness of specific handling techniques. Catamarans respond differently to wind and steering compared to monohulls, often requiring more space to turn and careful attention when docking due to their wider beam. For first-time sailors, participating in a sailing course or hiring a knowledgeable skipper can ease the learning curve and enhance the overall experience. When preparing for a catamaran journey, consider practical details such as packing light, wearing non-slip shoes, and staying hydrated under the sun's strong reflection on the water. Bringing appropriate sun protection and planning balanced, nutrient-rich meals will also support energy and well-being throughout the voyage. As you explore the possibilities of sailing a catamaran, ask yourself, how might this unique vessel elevate your travel goals and bring you closer to the active, nature-connected experiences you seek? Let's explore your thoughts in the comments.